Song Ye Kyo, you really are a gem. I mean, iba lang talaga yung aura ni Song Ye Kyo dito. Madla siya yung character niya dito and para siyang Constantine or John Wick yung angas. What's up, my Night Star? Let's talk about this new Korean film, Dark Nuns. Interesting yung premise ng film nito kasi Song Ye Kyo is a nun who is performing exorcism. In a country na 11% lang yung Catholics, napaka-unique ng character niya. At may hirapan siyang kumuha ng support from the church to perform an exorcism sa isang teenager who seems to be possessed by a powerful entity. Nasa opposisyon ng simbahan dito ay naniniwala sila na kailangan lang siguro ng therapy ng bata. So si Sister Yunya, yung character ni Song Ye Kyo, maghahanap siya ng tulong at mahanap nito kay Sister Michaela. Napakadelikado ng gagawin nila and kailangan nilang i-sacrifice ang kanilang mga buhay para mag-perform ng forbidden rituals. I think this is one of the strongest suits of the film. It tries to tell a story about how patriarchal communities hold back women from doing what they're capable of. Tulad ng pag-oppose kay Sister Yunya sa pag-perform ng exorcism, si Sister Michaela naman ginagaslit yung kanyang experience na psychological lang ito rather than supernatural or metaphysical. Pero nagkulang ang pelikula sa pag-execute ng narrative. Medyo mabagal ang first 2 acts and hindi enough yung tension and suspense. May exorcism scene dito na hindi mo maiwasang makumpara sa The Wailing or sa Exuma, pero bumabawi ito sa final act. Lalo na yung scene na in-execute nila yung Catholic and shaman rituals. So maybe you just need to hold on until the 3rd act because it's only then that the movie becomes memorable.